Everyone, welcome back. This is going to be another video of worth it or worthless, where I talk about a product. I share with you all the good things about it and all the bad things about the product in my experience, and hopefully by the end of the video you can decide if this is something that you need in your collection or not. Today I'm talking about something that is quite expensive, and it's by Burberry, and it's called the Fresh Glow Luminous Fluid Base. It comes in 3 different colors because it's supposed to suit different undertones. I'm going to talk about what it does and everything in this video. But the idea is that it's sheer, but it does have to match your skin tone. So there's 3 different shades for this product. It retails for $48, and it comes with 1 ounce, and it's been one of the best splurges of 2016. So it fits into that category because enough people love it to, just know that it's a splurge, but it's something that they recommend. So of course I had to jump in here and let you know some of the things that you should know before purchasing this product. One of them is that this is supposed to be a light base that you can use for infusing light into your face. So this is not a primer. If you were thinking that you were getting a primer with this, get it out of your mind, because it's not a primer. This is not going to give you that luminous finish when you apply your foundation on top. It's just not going to do it. It's one of those products that as soon as you put it on your skin, you will see the dew, you will see the glow, you will see everything that they promise. But as soon as you set it with a powder or you apply a foundation, it completely disappears. So if you were thinking about purchasing this product for giving you an extra something to your foundation, know that it's not going to be a primer. Now, if you want to mix it with your foundation, it looks beautiful. It will give you that dewy look, but it's going to look a little bit more natural. Just so you know, underneath the foundation does nothing. Now, if you were wondering also, okay, it does nothing for the luminosity, but it's going to make my foundation last longer. No, it doesn't either. It's just something that is going to give that glow to your skin, so it doesn't have any other properties that are going to help your foundation stay longer. Also, it's 55% water. So that should tell you something. It's something for the glow, it's something for the hydration, and it has nothing to do with a primer or the properties that you look for in a primer. It also contains rose extract, so again, we're going for more for the moisturizing effect on the skin. So how do you use this product? Well, the idea for them is that you're supposed to apply it over your moisturized face and go out on your day and be happy and dewy and glowy without any shimmer on your skin. That's what they promise. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it looks nice. It kind of blurs the imperfection and it makes everything so summery like, and it's beautiful, but it doesn't give you any kind of coverage. It's mostly water with that shine effect to your skin, so it's not going to do much covering. So if you have perfect skin and you want a dewy look to your skin, maybe you don't have it, then you can apply this and go out and look amazing. But if you have stuff that you want to cover on your skin, this is not going to do it. It's just going to give you that glow that you might not even like, because you have imperfections that are going to be noticeable when you use something that it will give you that dewy look. Yeah, it will hide other imperfections. But if you have a pimple or if you have something that sticks out on your face, it's going to emphasize it as well. So that's how you're supposed to use it. Then they also say that you can use it as a highlighter, so you'll have to find the perfect color to use it as a highlighter, whatever undertone you like to have on your highlighter, and it does work as a highlighter. It's beautiful. Is it my favorite highlighter? Not really. I have another one that comes in a pen for Burberry that is my favorite highlighter, and that is what I have as a highlighter today. But this one in particular, which is the number 02 Golden Radiance, is too orange for me. So if I try to use it as a highlighter, it looks kind of weird. We talk about everything negative about this product. What are the positive of it? Now, you can mix this with foundation, as I mentioned before, and it will give you that glow. It's how I use it. It's how I love this product. But if I use it how you're supposed to, I really don't see the point of it. So if you want to use it with foundation, it will give you that glow, perfect glow, but it's not going to be as dramatic as when you use it by itself. And finally, this is dewy but not greasy. So if you decide to use it how they are saying that you should use it, just all over the skin, and not apply foundation or any other product on top, then yeah, it will look very dewy, but it will never look greasy. It's not like you have a lot of oils coming out of your skin. It does give you that runway, very beautiful skin, dewy skin kind of look without looking greasy or without looking like, I don't know, you have oily skin. That is what I get out of this product. So if you're looking for something like this, it really works for what they say that this worked for. But if you were thinking that this is a primer, I just felt that I needed to share this video with you because it's $48 and it's not going to work as a primer. So I hope that this information was helpful, that you and maybe get a sample, try it for yourself before you purchase the full size and see if it's something that you actually enjoy. So thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this series, please let me know in the comments down below or give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.